Embracing the future. Why Windows 11? Windows 11 is here, and it's not just a fresh coat of paint. Microsoft has been hard at work, crafting an operating system that's faster, sleeker, and more user-friendly than ever before. From the redesigned Start menu to the integrated Android apps, Windows 11 is packed with features that promise to transform your computing experience. Upgrading isn't just about staying current, it's about unlocking a world of new possibilities. Think of it like swapping your old clunker for a sports car. Sure, the old one got you from point A to point B, but the new one? It's a whole new level of performance, aesthetics, and enjoyment. But before you hit the gas and dive headfirst into this exciting upgrade, there are a few things you need to do to prepare. Don't worry, we'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free transition to the world of Windows 11. Ready to see what all the fuss is about? Let's get started. Checking under the hood system requirements. Before you embark on your Windows 11 adventure, let's make sure your PC has what it takes. Just like a rocket needs enough fuel to reach orbit, your computer needs certain hardware and software components to run Windows 11 smoothly. First, you'll need a compatible processor. Think of this as the brain of your computer. Windows 11 requires a 64-bit processor with at least 2 cores and a clock speed of 1 GHz or faster. Next up is RAM, your computer's short-term memory. You'll need at least 4 GB to keep things running smoothly. Storage space is also crucial. Windows 11 requires at least 64 GB of free space on your hard drive or SSD. Lastly, let's talk graphics. Windows 11 needs a graphics card that's compatible with DirectX 12 or later with a WDDM 2.0 driver. Don't worry, most modern graphics cards meet this requirement. Not sure if your PC meets these requirements? No problem. Head over to the official Microsoft website and download the PC Health Check app. It's a handy tool that'll analyze your system and tell you if it's ready for Windows 11. Backup rituals, protecting your digital treasures. Picture this. You're cruising down the digital highway, Windows 11 installation underway, when suddenly, disaster strikes. A power outage, a corrupted file, a rogue hamster chewing on your power cord. The possibilities are endless and none of them are pretty. That's why, before you even think about upgrading to Windows 11, you absolutely, positively need to back up your data. We're talking about those precious photos, essential documents, and meticulously curated music libraries, everything that makes your computer uniquely yours. Think of it like this: backing up your data is like having an insurance policy for your digital life. It might seem like an unnecessary expense until you need it, and then it's the best investment you ever made. So, how do you go about backing up your data? There are several ways to do it. You can use an external hard drive, a cloud storage service, or even a combination of both. Whichever method you choose, just make sure you have a recent backup before you hit that install button. Crafting the installation key, creating a bootable USB drive. Now that you've backed up your data and ensured your PC is ready for the upgrade, it's time to create our installation key, a bootable USB drive. This little guy will be our trusty sidekick throughout the entire Windows 11 installation process. First things first, you'll need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage space. Don't try to be frugal here. A larger drive will give you more flexibility down the road. Next, head over to the official Microsoft website and download the Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. This nifty little program will help you download the Windows 11 installation files and create the bootable USB drive. Once you've downloaded the tool, run it and follow the on-screen instructions. It'll ask you to select your language, edition of Windows 11, and whether you want to create installation media for a USB flash drive or an ISO file. Choose the USB flash drive option, select your USB drive from the list of available devices, and click Next. The tool will then download the Windows 11 installation files and create the bootable USB drive.